up too fast, heart clueless and wild. She saw a friend, he saw something in style. He tried to play it cool, but the truth hit hard. She never meant to hurt him, never meant to scar. His ex moved on like he was barely even there. Left him feeling empty, lost and unfair. Now he's falling again, and it's messing him up. She's a soft kind of chaos, he can't give up. She sees the way he looks, yeah, she's not blind. And she hates that she's tangled up in his mind. She cares about him, but not the way he wants. And that truth sits heavy like a ghost that haunts. She's scared to hurt him, scared to lie, but she can't force the spark she doesn't feel inside. He's a safe place she runs to when the world goes black, but she can't give him the love he's trying to give back. He loves her more than he ever should. She only loves him like a real friend would. Two broken hearts stuck in rewind, both hurting for reasons they can't define. Hey, he's screaming in silence, she's drowning in kindness. He wants something real, she can't fake what she doesn't feel. They know they should let this die, but they still hope and they don't know why. Almost love is the cruelest kind, close enough to feel, too far to